Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing great here. You can see or not here a little bit raining. So today I'm going to make a different motovlog in the rain. It's not so heavy rain, but it's a little bit raining, and I'm going to ride. Today will be the different ride. So I'm going to ride on a little bit rough road, maybe muddy, I don't know, like let's see. And I fit already GoPro here. So most of my viewers asking about the camera. This is GoPro 10, and I'm using here also GoPro on handle, not the mirror bar. This one is the GoPro 5. So alright guys, here is the good road. After a few minutes I'm gonna get rough road. So I would like to show you guys here. This is the natural swimming pool of Buffalo. You can see here 1, 2, 3. They're really enjoying. Wow. And the one is there. It's not so deep. It's really perfect for buffalo. It's nice. Oh, here chicken, many chicken there. Wow. See there, I think this one is the rice planting. People are rice planting over there. It's a really big lot, and people are, see, you can see there. It's a really nice province life. It looks so good, and you can see the bird. I think that's what is that called? I don't know, but it's really beautiful. People are planting, I think, rice, and some are resting over there. Last night it was rain, so you can see the road. It's a white road and looks slippery also. This is the pure province area. Oh, I can see here a small breeze, very tiny breeze. Oh, here also water. This really tiny breeze. I think it's 2 meter only wide. I like to go from there. You can see it's oh, here you can see the mud here. Oh, here is the so many water. I like to show you province area of the island. So, oh, here is jungle. You can see. Looks like no one living here. You can see here jungle. But I can see the motor over there and even chicken. That means it must be house here. Oh, there. I can see. A little bit far from road. Wow, this one is the guy's corn farming. The corn is already grow up, I can see the corn. Oh, dog, dog, dog. Don't bite me. You can see the chicken there. Chicken. Oh, there's also chicken. Oh, here it looks like they planted something over here already. I think corn. It must be corn, maybe. And this one is this plant I just saw first time here in the Philippines. This one is called cassava. We cannot eat raw. If you're gonna eat raw, that will be the poison. So they used to like make a, dry, first chopping, then dry, after that making flowers, and they can make a variety of foods. So that's a process, and we can eat. So I can see here the big farm, agricultural farm. So you can see the chicken also, goat, carabao, and cow. That's the way to do agriculture here in the Philippines. They are using buffalo. Oh, this is really nice. You can see the sakura. It looks like a sakura, right? Wow. It's really cool. It's a big tree of flowers. Oh, you can see here also. It's a red flowers here. It really looks so beautiful. I often see the flowers side of the road here in the Philippines, which is really looks so beautiful. Oh, here is so many water. Is it deep? Oh, it's not. Here also house. See, oh, it's really danger. She's entering her head inside the fence. Guys, I thought it will be rain, but it's not raining anymore. This is called kamunggay. Here in the Philippines, they use this one for soup. It's really lummy and it's really organic and good for health also. Oh. Oh my god, it's deep. I didn't expect that much deep there. I can see here possible code, but it looks very old. I think this one is the native house here in the Philippines. The native house is very famous. I can see the chicken everywhere. Oh, here I think. Oh, yeah. There's Dave. What I expected. I have to wait here because if I go there, maybe there might be like, you know, flash the too big. Oh yeah, maybe I'll go this way. I hope it will not slip. Up. Oh, I can see here mud and the construction vehicle also. Maybe soon they are going to make a good road over here. Oh, it's so looks slippery. Up, damn slippery, guys. Oh yeah, they are going to make road over here, which is really good things. But now it looks so slippery. I have to be very careful. It's not danger, but it's really slippery. That makes feeling danger. Here, okay. I prefer go by this way. Okay. It looks very dirty, the tire, and you can see here also. So alright guys, it's raining a little bit now here, and that's it today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy, And thank you so much again, and take care, have a good day.